All right. Introduce yourself.
Story 543248861. My name is, I think, Robert E. North. E stands for Eugene. I was named after a cartoon character, Eugene the Jeep. Now, it's not a Jeep as you think of it as an automobile. The Jeep was an animal that I think Popeye had. I have to think back. I'm not sure it was Popeye. But the Jeep was uh, kind of like a big blob. It never told a lie. So maybe that's why they named me Eugene, but I don't think that was the reason. I think it's because it was just a blob, a white blob with eyes, and I don't think it could speak either, but I learned to speak fairly early.